how to edit your profile informations on Etsy. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit your profile informations on Etsy easily and fast. So all what you have to do, just go to etsy.com and log into your account. Now this is the home page. Go to the top right here, click on your account and go down to account settings. It will take you directly to this page. Now all what you have to do is simple, click on edit profile, and as you can see now from here you can change your profile picture, your name, your gender, your city, your birthday, and you can add about section and favorite materials. And yeah, you have many options here. After you finish editing, click save changes. It's so easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end.